Hello everyone. This time we start the presentation about the report in the form of PKMM, Risk Prevention of Family Dysfunction Through the Education Box Game of Talking based in RW06, Sagulung District. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Sandro Devrianto and I am 22.
My name is Samuel Lanson with name 30.
My name is Ferdinando Bantobing with last name 31.
My name is Oparto Gitu Ahwan Gulkom with name 37.
The first is introduction. We presented by Samuel.
Okay, thank you, Devri. Now I will present about introduction. Because of the basic characteristic of family, can pass of these patterns to future generations, in particular to the weakest family member, namely children. Divorce that happen in the family will have an emotional and psychological impact on the child directly or not, can create sustainable social problem. RW6 Sagulung District, which is a partner in the creativity program. The student is one of the sub-district in Batam, based on observation team in field. The head of local airway. 06 provide information that there was social problems such as early marriage, that's the lack of control emotion between couple, and several cases of divorce that affect children described in an interview with the local. Next, I will present about executive summary. The objective to achieve in student creative program include 3. First, provide additional knowledge about the function and role of the family through educational games. The name is Gansia, game anti-dysfunksi keluarga, that can be played by all family members with the media wooden boards and smart cards that are provided with sensor and can be read by talking pen. Next, the creation of society that is able to understand the function of the family based on government regulation number 21 of 1994. Next, the methodology used to investigate the issue. There are 3 methods to use. First, counseling method, 2, training method, and last, science and technology assistance. Next will be presented by Joshua.
Okay. The methodology used for content or body. We have been finding some methodology when defining problem in this program activities. This methodology use methods, namely A, counseling method. 1, coordination meeting with supervisor to harmonize staff and division of tasks for each member. 2, a site survey is conducted to determine the condition of the partner communities who will be the targets of implementing this program. 3, licensing of activities to the head of RW06 Sagulung District to carry out the program of activities. At the same time, invite the head of Sagulung City and the head of RT02, 03, and 04. 4, socialization of Zoom Safa, which aim to increase awareness and motivate people to carry out family function in daily life. Next, the methodology used, problem, have a social, suggestion, creating an educational box game with the theme of Batam's local wisdom. That is interesting about family function that can be played by family members with smart card that can be read by the talking pen, so that it will issue orders that must be carried out by players. Educational guidance regarding the function and role of the family using family storybooks. And external solution, the creation of new educational game product regarding family function so that good communication is established between family members. And increase public knowledge about religious functions, sociocultural functions, love, protection function, socialization and education functions, economic functions, and environmental development function, so that people know the role of each family member. And have impact, 1, creation of an educated family. 2, families, especially children, can get to know the local culture. 4, people know the function of the family and creating a quality and prosperous family. Next, the methodology used, training method. B, training method. 1, educate, jump, and check by providing guidance in the form of education regarding religious functions, sociocultural function, love, protection functions, socialization and education functions, economic function, and environmental development function in accordance with PP Article 21 of 1994 about the implementation of a prosperous family with family storybooks, so that public knowledge increase and is motivated to carry out the functions and roles of each family member optimally. To the Gansia. Demonstration aims to introduce new and educational games product with the theme of Batam's local wisdom as an interesting learning medium regarding family functions, and is equipped with a smart card that can be read by the talking pen. Next. The methodology used, C, science and technology assistance. This is provided in the form of education about talking pen technology, which covers math using 3D printing by explaining how the talking pen works, function and benefits, as well as assisting the public to fill out online pretest questionnaires using Google Forms and implementation that aims to find out whether this game is effective and has an impact on every family member. In this stage, the game will be given to participants. Next.
Uh, okay. Thank you, Joshua.
Okay.
I'm presentation result archive and potential sustainability. We have analyzed how the struggle of the implementers who carry out according to their expectation in terms of conformity with the above targets and the result is achieved. Everyone, they try to work hard in planning these activities. Before analyzing the result as presented, we analyze the target participant and the history of the place considered as a place for the activity of PKM. In the PKM activities in RW06, Saguling District, the amount of people who participate in the activity was 10 people who were female residents. Based on the age group in the participant, the 10 participants are in the separate. Therefore, participant age 20 to 30 years are one participant. Participant age 30 to 40 years are 5 participants. And participant age 40 to 50 years are 4 participants. Of all the participants, the occupation owned by 10 participants were housekeepers. We analyze the diagram, the pre-test and post-test. Before the presentation about the diagram, before analyzing the result of presentation, in the test question on the pre-test and post-test question, it is also related by different things. The first question contains question about the community is able to understand the function of religion. The second question was about the community is able to understand the function of social cultural. And third question was about the community is able to understand the function of love. The fourth question was about the community is able to understand the function of protecting. Fifth question was about the community is able to understand the function of reproduction. The sixth question was about the community is able to understand the function of social education. The seventh question was about the community is able to understand the function of economy. And the eighth question, as the last question, was about the community is able to understand the function of environmental development. This is a diagram pre-test and post-test. Do you know the difference? Of all of the participants who took the pre-test, they tried to answer and it turned out the many of them answered incorrectly on the question. Likewise of otherwise, but only one question was answered incorrectly by all the participants. Then when the participant did the post-test, they tried to answer and it turned out that they turned away from before. Because many participants answered correctly on the question and there were separate questions that were answered correctly by all the participants. When doing the presentation in the first question, presentation question are in the left. 7 people answered correctly, then 3 people answered correctly. 7 people answered correctly and 3 people answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 70%. In the second question, 3 people answered correctly and 7 people answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 30%. The third question, 6 people answered correctly and 4 people answered incorrectly. So this question got as a result of 60%. In the fourth question, 3 people answered correctly and 7 answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 30%. In the fifth question, 2 people answered correctly and 8 people answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 20%. In the sixth question, 3 people answered correctly and 7 people answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 30%. In the seventh question, only 1 person answered correctly and 9 people answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 10%. And the eighth question, none of the participants answered correctly. So this question got a result of 0%. When doing the post-test, the post-test diagram is the right. In the first question, 9 people answered correctly and 1 person answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 90%. In the second question, all participants have been answered correctly. So this question got a result of 100%. In the third question, 9 people answered correctly and 1 person answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 90%. In the fourth question, 8 people answered in the fourth question, 8 people answered correctly and 2 people answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 80%. In the fifth question, all participants have been answered correctly. So this question got a result of 100%. In the sixth question, all participants have been answered. In the sixth question, all participants have been answered correctly. So this question got a result of 100%. In the seventh question, 8 people answered correctly and 2 people answered incorrectly. So this question got a result of 80%. And the eighth question as the light question, and the eighth question as the last question, all participants have been answered correctly. So this question got a result of 100%. In the present text of result, in the present text of result from the target outputs, these questions are indeed the same as the pre-test and post-test question. For the first question, for the target output get a presentation of 88% as the presentation value for first question. The second question gets a presentation value of 100%. The third question gets a presentation value of 88%. The fourth question gets a presentation value of 75%. In the fifth question, get a presentation value of 100%. The sixth question get a presentation value of 100%. The seventh question gets a presentation value of 75%, and the eighth question gets a presentation value of 100%. In the implementation of the target suitability indicators, almost all of these activities are carried out perfectly. Although the presentation range of 85 to 100%, this activity can benefit both the implementer and the community. This activity contains a target suitability indicators consisting of 4 different indicators. The first, in conformity to the schedule of activities, got a presentation result of 90% because the several activities that undergo schedules changed in May and June. The second was the suitability of form dictate, got a presentation result of 86.5% because the funds used were only 4,326,000 rupiah of the total funds received of 5 billion rupiah. The third one is conformity of supporting evidence, got a presentation result of 100% because all administration have been well prepared. And the fourth is compliance with the activity plan, got a presentation result of 100% because the activity goes according to the implementation plan. Therefore, the amount of presentation of all indicators in this activity is 94%. Okay, funding will presented by Dinan.
Thank you, Jeffrey. I will present about key finding. Recommendation to make this program sustainable is by forming a community group as Rumah Permata as a forum for counseling, educational assistance for family welfare, with household education activities, family planning, and the formation of productive household business as a forum of implementing prosperous family development based on PP number 21 of 117 and 74 concerning the implementation of prosperous family development, a society that can live in a balance among family members, the environment and the community, and produce a quality, independent, and prosperous society mentally and materially, and in collaboration with the Batam City BKKBN. And the last is conclusion. The conclusion is many activities are carried out by the executor, starting from the pre-test, post-test until the next activity. For this reason, the pre-test and post-test activities consist of 10 female participants who have job, namely housewife. The pre-test activity had satisfactory result for the implementer, even though the results were not satisfactory for participant. Was not good answering question for participant and still did not think about knowledge. However, when doing the post-test, this activity is satisfying for the implementer, especially for the participants who are satisfying, able to know and get good material. In the output target activity, it has been satisfactory, although some have gotten pretty good result, as well as the target suitably indicator activity to get satisfactory result. For this reason, all activities carried out by the executor have benefit the executor and the surrounding communities. However, before implementing PKMM, they carry out planning activities, prefer in activities, evaluate, analyze what problem occur, and use useful methodologies to solve problems. Having done before, they are not sure whether they feel like a failure or not. In what we analyzed, we saw the implementation of PKMM was successful and the implementers were happy.
This is the presentation we did. Sorry if there are errors and omissions. Then we say thank you very much.